Hi there. If you're anything like me, you are looking to have fewer dishes in your sink after you're prepping meals. So I am so thankful that Linoroso sent me this Nakiri knife. This is a Japanese chef knife, and it is amazing because it does not have that sharp tip on it that can often lead to nicked fingers or smushed vegetables or fruits. So for me, it is a much safer option when I'm meal prepping, and also when my kids want to cut their own food up or meal prep for themselves. So I'm going to unbox it here for you. Straight out of the box, this was a beautiful knife. I've actually already used it before this video, but I'm going to grab this pineapple here and slice it up. I love that this knife works with you instead of against you. It has this beautiful handle, beautiful blade. So let's give it a little slice here. Oh, there's one of those accident-prone kids in the background. As you can see, I'm not worried about nicking my fingertips because I can see right where the end of the knife is. It's great for vegetables too. You can scoop them up. So this is an amazing, again, opportunity to not grab another tool out of your drawer. So if you want to be like me and have fewer dishes in the sink, grab this Nakiri knife. The link's below.